The weather right now, we are looking at the timing for the new tropical storm that's forming out there.
Yeah, it'll likely become a hurricane here over the next 24 hours or so. It looks like Louisiana will take kind of the full impact of this storm, but parts of the Texas coast are definitely going to see some wind, some rain, some storm surge and things like that. Basically, the farther southeast you go in Texas, the more likely you are to see the stronger part of this, of what will eventually become Hurricane Francine. Right now, Tropical Storm Francine, and we could even see maybe some tropical showers on Wednesday. We'll talk more about that coming up in a second. But here's Francine at the moment, kind of southeast of Brownsville right now, spinning off of the Texas and Mexico coastlines at the moment. It's going to make a jog kind of to the northeast over the next 24 hours, going to kind of hug the coastline before eventually making a landfall, most likely in Louisiana. Wind speeds of 65 miles an hour right now. Watch how this storm kind of jogs northwestward first and then back to the northeast, intensifies into a hurricane in the next 24 hours, keeps intensifying, potentially a Category 2 storm as it makes landfall along the Louisiana coastline there. Then it'll continue tracking up through Louisiana and up through Mississippi. Of course, once it makes landfall, it'll weaken quickly, at least in terms of wind speed, but we'll still drop a ton of heavy rain anywhere from central Louisiana all the way up through Mississippi as well, before eventually becoming a depression and just what's left of a tropical system there in parts of the Midwest even by this upcoming weekend. But storm surge will definitely be a problem for parts of Louisiana. 5 to 10 feet along the Louisiana coastline is where things will peak. But even the Beaumont, Port Arthur area, about 3 to 5 feet, or at least the Sabine Pass there, about 3 to 5 feet of a storm surge. For Galveston Bay, and back to the southwest, it's about 1 to 3 feet, so significantly less storm surge than the Louisiana coastline, but still some storm surge possible. In and around New Orleans, it might be about 2 to 4 feet of storm surge, but lots of heavy rain, 6 to 8 inches along the coast. Looks like Houston will kind of escape the heaviest of the rain, but there could still be 2 to 4 inches of rain anywhere from Galveston to Beaumont. So good news for the high population center of Houston, obviously, is that the worst of the storm looks like it'll pass off to the east, but there will still be some rain and some gusty winds in and around the Houston area. And the farther you head toward the coast, and like I said, southeast Texas, the more likely you are to see heavier or stronger winds and some heavier rain as well. For us here in North Texas, it's maybe some passing showers on Wednesday as this storm continues to move up from the south. Of course, coastal areas in Louisiana will see the brunt of the rain, but could sling enough moisture, some tropical showers or storms across our area. Wouldn't count on seeing rain for most of you, but there could be some light showers or even some tropical downpours here or there during the day on Wednesday. That's my only chance of rain through the upcoming week. So it's some isolated rain for DFW, isolated showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder, some scattered rain for eastern North Texas, but much more likely that farther east you go, and especially once you head into Louisiana. Tonight will be a nice night, though. Enjoy it. Much like this morning, 50s for most of you. I'm going to go DFW low about 60, which is a degree warmer than what we were last night into this morning. Tomorrow morning should feel basically the same as today. Light winds and cool. Tomorrow, warm, dry, and light winds, a little warmer than today, 88 for the high. It's also an ozone action day. Upper 80s Wednesday and Thursday, but the dreaded humidity will be back as we head through most of the rest of the week, and it will definitely be back this weekend as those winds shift back out of the south, and unfortunately the temperature is going up. So if you thought fall was here to stay, I got some bad news for you. It's upper 90s Saturday and Sunday, and 90s all of that next week as well. I don't see any big cool downs again anytime soon, so it's back to reality and back to summertime, because it is still summer until I believe September 21st is the what would that be, the fall equinox.
What a tease. It knew that it was going to hook us this weekend,
Faux
and it
fall.
did.